In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start chat with Microsoft Copilot. If you're new to Copilot, don't worry. Getting started is very simple. And once you know where to click, you can begin chatting with it in just a few seconds. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that can help you ask questions, generate ideas, summarize information, and assist with many everyday tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open Copilot and start your first conversation. To begin, go to the Microsoft Copilot website in your web browser. You can do this by typing in the Copilot web address or by searching for Microsoft Copilot and opening the official page. Once the site loads, you should see the main Copilot interface. This is where all of your interactions will happen. Take a moment to look at the page layout. The home page is designed to be straightforward, so even if it's your first time using it, it should feel pretty easy to navigate. The main thing you want to find is the message area. This is the space where you can type what you want Copilot to help you with. When you're ready, click on the message box that says something like Message Copilot. This is the input field where you begin your chat. After clicking into it, type your question, request, or idea. For example, you might ask for help writing something, getting information on a topic, brainstorming ideas, or simplifying a concept. You do not need to use complicated wording. In most cases, clear and natural language works best. As you type, try to be specific about what you want. The more context you give, the better Copilot can respond. For instance, instead of typing something very broad, you can mention exactly what kind of help you're looking for. That usually leads to more useful answers and saves time. Once you've entered your message, you can submit it and let Copilot respond. From there, the conversation can continue just like a normal chat. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, you can ask a follow-up question, clarify your request, or tell Copilot to adjust the response. That's one of the most useful parts of using it. You can keep refining the conversation until you get the result you're looking for. And that's all it takes to start chatting with Microsoft Copilot. Open the Copilot website, click into the message box, and type your question or request to begin. It's quick, simple, and a great way to start using AI for everyday help.